If you've been fired and your creditors are calling you, you might think that filing for bankruptcy is a quick fix. But if you have a potential lawsuit, you might want to think twice before you do. Look, I get it. Times can get hard when your income is suddenly gone. But if you have a lawsuit, you need to know these 3 things. Number 1, if you have a lawsuit, you have to declare the lawsuit as an asset in your bankruptcy. Bankruptcy will bog down your case. If you've been fired and your creditors are calling you, you might think that filing for bankruptcy is a quick fix. But if you have a potential lawsuit, you might want to think twice before you file. If you don't tell the court and your creditors about that lawsuit, you run the risk of your lawsuit getting dismissed. You need to disclose any loss that you have at the time you file bankruptcy and any lawsuits that arise after you are in bankruptcy. Number 2, you cannot settle your lawsuit while you're in bankruptcy unless the court approves. Once you file bankruptcy, the court is in charge of your assets. So if you want to settle your case, your attorney will have to petition the court for permission. And number 3, if you settle your case while you're in bankruptcy, the bankruptcy trustee will have to accept the settlement and decide what part, if any, of that settlement will be given back to you. Bankruptcy is complex and it can be even harder when you have a lawsuit. And if you're thinking about filing, make sure you know how it will affect your legal claims. I'm Cara Fontenot and I'm an employee's lawyer. Hit that follow button for more tips about your job.